thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, west central Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, south central Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, northwestern Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, northeastern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky until 8:45 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hopstadt or near Fort Branch, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Evansville, Boonville, Newburgh, Chandler, Fort Branch, Melody Hill, Hopstadt, Darmstadt, Owensville, Poseville, Cynthiana, Stanley, Eureka, Casson, Blairsville, Elberfeld, and Edwardsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 1 and 23. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 12 and 32. Audubon Parkway between mile markers 12 and 16. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Gibson, Posey, Spencer, Vanderburgh, and Warwick, and the following counties in Kentucky: Davis,